all this snow stuff. Let's go. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boo-boo. Come on, boo-boo. Come on. Didn't quite.
Yeah.
I think he needs to zip up his throat a little bit. His chest will get cold. But otherwise he's pretty bundled up. Hey, Bubba. Yeah, why don't we do that? Yeah, it looks a lot better.
So much better.
Yeah. Come on, Bubba.
Gavin in the snow, of course. He just help, help, help.
What's this stuff, huh?
What's all this?
What's all this stuff?
Can you
What
walk?
is this stuff?
Snow. A tarp. It's snow. Plain old tarp.
Let's just try the bucket for a minute.
He's trying to walk.
Yeah, hang on, Mom. Let's just a second. Just a second. What is this snow stuff, Gav? What is this snow stuff?
Is it snow? Can you say snow?
Can you say snow? You like this stuff?
Snow.
Look, Bubba.
That's snow.
Look at that.
Snow?
Want to let him play around the snowbank on the side there? Let him walk up to it.
Okay. Snow.
Yeah, look.
Snow.
Probably shouldn't teach him to eat it.
Lick it. A bum. A bum. Snow. Can we get in the bucket? Come on. I'll pull you. If he sits on this like this, and you drag it like this,
Yeah.
he might fall back. You can